Hi students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Through this channel, I will be teaching you 10th standard SSC Maharashtra Board English medium, algebra full portion as well as geometry. I will also try to put videos or upload videos of ICSE 8th, 9th and 10th class. My effort is to help students of 10th standard as well as ICSE 8th, 9th and 10th class to understand and learn maths and excel in their studies. If you like my videos, your token of appreciation, or we can say we get motivated through you when you like our channel, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that the uploaded video reaches you the moment we upload it. So let's now begin. Hi, today we are going to start with geometry. The first chapter of geometry, standard SSC, is similarity. See, while I teach you today this first chapter, I am not going to start to explain you what is similarity right now. Okay? We have to wait. First of all, when you open your textbook, the lesson when starts similarity, the first initial part, and even in the practice set 1.1, doesn't has anything related to similarity. Then you will ask me, sir, what we are doing here? Why we are studying this? First of all, we have to start this chapter with a concept of properties of a triangle. Now, you will ask me which property of triangle we are going to study. See, we are going to say ratio of two triangles and their related properties. Now, once you understand these properties, we will be utilizing these properties in solving the theorems of similarity. So, since we will need these properties in solving similarity, so before we enter into similarity, we have to understand these properties. So now what I am going to study, I am going to teach you these properties, which are three properties. Then we'll start practice set 1.1, and when we complete that, before we go to the theorem, I will explain you what is meant by similar triangles or similar figures. And then we go to theorem, and then we enter into the chapter of similarity. Okay, let us start now. We are going to study ratio of area of triangles, of two triangles, and their related properties. So first a property which you are going to study is a ratio of area. If we take these two triangles, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to product of their bases, product of ratio of their base and the corresponding sides. Understand, in this triangle, you can see this figure, this triangle ABC and PQR are not similar. They are totally different. And they are not common also. So we are not talking about similarity here, okay? Here, this AM is height. I call it H1. Height is always perpendicular to the base. Okay, don't forget it. And this is base, I call this as B1. Okay, same way I call this as H2, height of triangle PQR, and this as B2. Okay, and area of this triangle I call as A1 and area We call it A2. So what we are going to prove here? We are going to show, let's consider first property. Property 1. What it says? A ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of base and ratio of their base and corresponding height. This we have to prove. So what is given to you? Let us write down given part. Given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is given? Seg AM perpendicular to side BC, seg PN perpendicular to side QR, such that B dash M dash C, M is between B and C and Q dash N dash. This is your given part. What we have to prove? We have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to base into height, na? So base, half base, it will BC into AM, product of base into height. Same way, product of base is what? QR into PN. This we have to prove. Here, both bases B1 and B2, that is BC and QR, are not equal. Same way, height of the both triangles, H1, H2 are not equal. That means AM is not equal to PN. Okay? Heights and base are not equal. Let us start now. Proof. We divide into page if needed. First part. Area of triangle ABC equal to what? Half. You know, it is BC base into height AM. Reason for is area of triangle is area of triangle. Bas, enough काफी है. Statement number 2. Area of triangle PQR equal to half into QR into PN. Reason again, area of triangle. Statement number 3. Take ratio of this two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to half BC into AM upon half QR into PN. Reason, dividing statement 1 by statement 2. Okay, we are dividing statement 1 by statement 2. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to half BC into M upon half QR into PM. Half get cancel. So what you get? Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is BC into M. What is common? Only half is common. So I divide that, cancel that. So what you get? BC into AM upon QR into PN. We can write this as statement, same statement in fact. No need of changing statement. This is what we want and we got. Note, this is for you. You can write note here if you don't want. Here you can write note. A1 upon A2 is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is our first property. Very simple. Understand. Okay? Simple ratio of two triangles. So area of two triangles is equal to half of cancel. So what will remain? Ratio of the product of their corresponding weights and heights. Now we go to property number 2. Now we are going to study second property. Second property of ratio of area of two triangles and related property. Under this heading, please see these two triangles. They are not similar. I told you I am not going to teach you at present similar. Even though we are in a similarity lesson, we are not directly at present going into similarity. We are understanding the ratios of the triangles and then with that use it in the theorem to prove similarity, and then we will enter into similarity concept. When I will go, I will explain you that. Okay, first of all, understand all the properties. So here, these two triangles are given to you, they are not similar. Here B1 and you can say B1 is smaller, B2 is bigger, so they are unequal. Bases are unequal, but heights are equal. H1 is equal to H2. So instead of H1, I will write simply H and H because heights are equal. Okay, now let's start. So what is given? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, seg AM perpendicular side BC, so okay, and sec PN perpendicular side QR such that B dash M dash C and Q dash N dash R. This is the data given to you to prove what you have to prove. We have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of a triangle PQR equal to, since heights are equal, heights will get cancelled out and you have B1 upon B2. Areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their areas are proportional to corresponding bases if heights are equal. Let us prove it. To prove. Proof. First. Area of triangle ABC equal to half It is base into height AM. You know very well it is areas of triangle formula. Second, area of triangle PQR equal to half, what is base? QR into height is PN. Again, same reason, area of a triangle. Statement number 3, we take the ratio. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to half BC into AM upon half QR into PN, dividing statement number 1 by statement number 2, dividing this statement by this statement. What we get? Therefore, we get area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC upon QR. Since AM equal to PN equal to H. This half get cancelled out. AM and PN are equal in value, that is H is constant, equal, so height gets cancelled out. What is left? BC upon QR, that is A1 upon A2 is B1 upon B2. Now please remember one thing very important, that these things are not going to be asked for you in your exam. Properties they won't be asking. We are studying it to understand and utilize in the proof. Okay? Let us start now next. You go to next property. When you go to next property, here now the height is going to be same. So the height is going to change. Heights will be unequal. Okay? So we'll change this only, heights and this. We are going to make, and we have to change this figure. We'll have to change this figure. Okay, other things remaining same. Now we're going to go for property number 3. Now this base is going to be same. Height will be unequal. A, B, C. This is your B base. Base is going to be same. Area of this triangle is A1, height is H1, and this is H2. So heights are now going to be changed, but base of both triangles is going to be equal. So now we are going to write here areas of triangle equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. In triangle ABC, this given part remains same. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AM perpendicular to BC, PN perpendicular to QR, B dash M dash C and Q dash N dash R. Now ratio area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be, since bases are equal, they cancel out. We are going to get ratio of height AM upon PN. So now let us prove it here. First statement, area of triangle ABC equal to half base into height, so BC into AM. Reason, you know, it is area of triangle. Formula. Statement, area of triangle again, PQR will be half. What is base? QR into PN. Here also same reason, formula of area of triangle. Third, now we take a ratio of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So what you get? Half BC into AM divided by half QR into PN. Again, the reason, you know, dividing statement number 1 by statement number 2. Dividing statement 1 by statement number 2. So what is the final answer? Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be half get cancelled. Now, bases are going to get cancelled. You are going to get ratio of the heights AM upon PN. Reason here will be since BC equal to QR equal to B, this gets cancelled. Therefore, we can say A1 upon A2 is H1 upon H2. So we get the third property completed. Again, I am telling you that these properties, they are not going to ask you in exam. So don't worry. But there will be some problems, certain problems, numerical problems they will ask you in the very first, only in the first question. Okay. So for that you are going to prepare. You should understand the concept. Okay. Let us now go for next. We have completed the properties. So we will go to some numerical problems. Okay, let's start now with numerical problems. We practice set. We go to practice set. Practice set 1.1. Now we have to understand what is given in there. They say the base of a triangle is 9 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. They are given us two triangles, remember. In one triangle they are given us base and height. The other triangle base and heights are also given. So base and heights of both the triangles are given to you. I repeat the question. Please keep notebook with you while studying. Okay, start. Now base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5 units. So 9 units and 5 units. They are not given as centimeters. Okay, base of another triangle is 10 units and height is 6. If nothing is given, that means units, remember. Okay, 6 units. Find the ratio of area of these triangles. So how to start? We'll write down solution 1. Okay, write down here, practice set 1.1. Okay. Solution first. Let base and height. Let base and height of height and area of two triangles B B1 H1 A1 and B2 H2 and A2. We assume that these are because they are not giving us anything about the two triangles, so we assume that B1 is the base of the first triangle, H1 is the base of height of the first triangle, A1 is the height of the first triangle. Then similarly B2, H2 and A2 are the base, height and area of the second triangle. Now we go to the information given to you. Here what information is given to you is, we'll write down. Here B1 is given to you, H1 is given to you, B2 is given to you and H2 is given to you. Let's see what is B1. B1 value is 9, H1 is 10 and B2 value is how much? No, sorry. B1 is 9, B2 is 10, H1 is 5 and this is 6 units of course. Now we know very well the properties we have right here. What is the property? When base and heights are given to you, a ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of what? Ratio of the product of their height and corresponding bases. Okay. So write down here what we are going to write. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal, remember we are going to cite equal to sign, is equal to the ratio of the product, yaad rakho, to the ratio of the product or ratio of the product of what? Of their product of what? Their bases and corresponding heights. So once you write this property, which is property number 1, we go to represent it. A1 upon A2 is, we know half. B1 into H1. So please don't write half here because you mentioned it proportional to the product of base and height. So B2 into H2. Substitute the values. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. So divide, we get how much? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 3 twos are and 3 threes are. So what you get? A1 upon A2, A1 upon A2 is 3 upon 4. So this is what is the answer. So write down final answer in words. Final answer in words. Ratio of areas of two triangle is ratio. Words में लिखो बच्चों. Write in words. Ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangles is 3:4. Now what you're going to do? Okay, ये पहला क्वेश्चन तो हो गया आपका. अब हमने क्या करने वाले हैं? हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे दो पार्ट्स में. ओके, तो इरेज में ज़्यादा टाइम न जाए, दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करके हम लोग सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाते हैं. ये बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है। ये पहला जो क्वेश्चन होता है ना एग्जाम का, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एग्जाम, तो आपका जो एसएससी का बोर्ड पेपर होगा उसका पहला जो क्वेश्चन, उसमें एक क्वेश्चन इसमें से आ सकता है, इसलिए उसको प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से करो। इन मतलब ये 3 प्रॉपर्टी में से एक प्रॉपर्टी आ सकती है, जरूरी नहीं कि आना है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा वो इजी पेपर हो तो वो दे देंगे।